We've been looking at digital for a number of years. I had told Domino, if you ever made a retrofit, I would be one of your first customers. That's what they've done by partnering with Mark Andy for the DSiQ-R. And we are now one of the first customers in North America to have it on our press. So I'm Tony Cook, founder and CEO of Great Lakes Label. Great Lakes Label is a flexographic printing business here in Comstock Park, Michigan. We have about 70 employees across 3 shifts, and we work with a wide range of clients from national companies to startups. For me, probably one of the greatest joys in the business is my kids and son-in-law are now working in the business. They're part of the TLMI Young Leaders Association. They're really starting to bring some good things to the table, and so that just makes it fun. I think a lot of our growth has come from our problem-solving abilities. I love watching that collaboration come together to solve a problem for a customer.
My name is Patrick Chick. I'm the Research and Development Director here at Great Lakes Label. With this new machine sitting on top of our current press, I really like that it doesn't take up more space. And it's amazing to be able to add 4 more stations on top of the 10 we already have. You can run flexo, digital, or you can do a hybrid.
I think this company is always proactive rather than reactive. So with the addition of the digital retrofit, it allows you to enter the digital market at a much lower entry. That definitely lays out a path for us to increase revenue. It helps us acquire new customers, and it really creates a great value proposition for us. We're able to eliminate that hour of make ready and turn that into product for the customer and really make us a lot more efficient.
Today we got a P5, 10 color, 13-inch turn bar for any of your back print. 4 stations before, DSiQ-R, which is a double bump of white, 4-color process. 5 stations afterwards. We have a light tension laminator, 2 die stations, 2 waste rewinds, and we have our controls up here to control all of our flexo and our digital from over here.
You know, to me, the Domino difference is I've watched a lot of the other press manufacturers add the Domino print engine to their own press line. That was kind of telling me everything I needed to know about who was leading the industry in inkjet printing. I was going through the same decision as who's the best press manufacturer. And so we partnered with Mark Andy, and it's just been a wonderful partnership. And so when I'm able to bring that partnership together with Domino, I've got the 2 industry leading providers giving me the best service available. And we feel that digital is going to free up approximately 30% capacity on the rest of our presses. So I think the customers are going to see a lot of benefit in the investment with the Mark Andy retrofit.
We're always looking for that next thing to take this company up a level. The digital is a big part of that. It gives us more ability to support our customers. That's really just going to help us grow overall and keep pushing this company forward. So we're really excited about all of that.
It will definitely make it faster for us to get product to the customer, which makes our customers happier and makes them come back for more.
I think the future for Great Lakes is tremendous, thanks to companies like Mark Andy and Domino that have created equipment that is so versatile, it meets the market trends needs in one foul swoop. And those 2 things combined just make it an amazing ability to grow and satisfy your customers. From all of us at Great Lakes Label, we'd like to say thank you, Mark Andy, and thanks, Domino.